And you could run out of water.
There's a really interesting question. What does a steam engine use more of, coal or water?
I think water, because water is the power that... I'm going backwards.
Andy! Andy!
Over here, you blue.
Hey, blue.
Look, you.
Oh, here it comes. Uh-oh.
That friend is going awfully fast. Front of the train now. Got to go to. Really, it's coming.
Throw a bag of coal in there,
I think.
guys.
Oh, great! Those are bags of coal.
I think they're going to put you guys to work.
Oh, here it comes. Guys, be
Did you
prepared.
bring your gloves?
Be prepared to put your. Be prepared to die. Hey, you coming?
Oh, they have, yeah, they have.
Prepare to die. No. No.
Sheila, you're right in front of me.
But I have some wooden answers, so I'm gonna. Yeah. Cool conductor. Look inside the tree, man. Yeah, let's look inside.